Get strong.
Are you looking for that perfect design that captures the charm of vintage travel and cozy summer nights? Say hello to our charming vintage rose camper design. This beautiful watercolor piece is full of nostalgic details and features a perfect sunset glow. It's a digital PNG instant download. Use it immediately for sublimation, printable art, or any cozy crafting project. Stop searching. Grab this charming, high-quality digital download instantly at www.stylejunction.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.